Hi there. Today, we're going to talk about Airbrush, the complete studio handbook by Rodovera. Airbrushing is a popular technique for creating realistic and detailed images on various materials, including fabric, wood, metal, and more. This book is a comprehensive guide to airbrushing, covering everything from the basics of the technique to advanced techniques and tips for mastering the art. The first thing you'll notice about this book is its comprehensive approach to airbrushing. Rodovera covers everything from the basics of airbrushing, including the proper use of equipment and materials, to more advanced techniques such as using airbrushes with different colored pistons and creating intricate designs. One of the standout features of this book is its step-by-step approach to creating various images. Rodovera breaks down each step in detail, providing clear instructions and tips for success. This makes it easy for readers to follow along and create their own stunning images. Another great aspect of this book is its collection of real-world examples and projects. Rodovera shows readers how to apply the techniques he's covered to real-world projects, giving readers a sense of what they can create with these skills. Overall, Airbrush, the complete studio handbook, is an excellent resource for anyone interested in airbrushing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced airbrusher, this book has something to offer. With its comprehensive approach, step-by-step instructions, and real-world examples, it's a must-have for anyone looking to improve their airbrushing skills.
This book is considered the Airbrush Bible. If you're doing any digital art, I would say airbrushing is a prerequisite to mastering digital art. Masking will be truly understood and with greater ease when you go digital.
If you would like me to come up with good and budget recommendations, we can. Just request a video in the comments below.